Welcome to my channel of It's Marcus. That's me. Hey, what's up YouTube fam? It's your boy Marcus, and today I am back with another video. But now, today's video, I'm gonna give my baby a car wash. As you can see, it needed to wash really bad. For real, it needs to be washed really bad. But anyway, so before we get going, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So let's get this going. Well, we're on our way to the car wash now. Gotta let that oil circulate now. What about a beautiful day? Well, now that the Mardi Gras parade is over, now that the Mardi Gras parade is over now, I can't wait to see what's gonna happen next year. Well, this year. But we gotta get through with this year first. But hey, there's always a next year of Mardi Gras, but I can't wait to see what new floats they're having this year for the fair parade. Well, here I am. Getting my baby a... Look at that. Well, now my car is all nice and clean. Check how nice and clean it is. Now I gotta vacuum it. Now look at this floor here. It needs to be clean. Now to vacuum the interior in here. There we go. The floors and seats are all nice and vacuumed. Ta-da! All nice and vacuumed. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed the car wash video. And I can see Chopper's happy that I'm home again. But well, that's it in the video right now. But if you guys do like this video, be sure you give this thing a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out as well. So, I'll see you next time on the spot. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.